Are you ready for tiny little Proteus Land Raiders to hit the tabletop? Hi there, Chris here with another unboxing for you all. In this video, we are going to take a look at the Land Raider Proteus for the Legions Astartes Explorator Squadron in Warhammer the Horus Heresy Legion Imperialis, the game of epic scale combat. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box set. Big thank you to my patrons for their support and continued support. And a big thank you to all of you members here on the YouTubes. Big thank yous. So, Warhammer, the Horus Heresy, Legion Imperialis, the Legions Astartes, Land Raider Proteus, the classic throwback Land Raider that started it all back in the Rogue Trader era. Yes, I think I had one or two of these tanks back in the day. And yeah, invariably the lascannons would always break off because it was just like a little pin that held those lascannons in place. And, you know, it's a little disappointing. But anyway... Throwback to the days of yore, 6 epic scale miniatures in this box set. 6 Land Raiders. Wow, let's have a look at the back of the box. And yeah, they are everything I remember. Now, of course, these models have versions for Horus Heresy for the tabletop of regular Warhammer the Horus Heresy in regular 28mm scale. And so we're looking at 6 miniatures. All landers. I don't think I see any real options other than maybe on the turret. Yeah, and then of course it also comes with the big transfer sheets. And yeah, pretty darn cool. I think we should just bust in and have a look around. So we are going to bust out the rusty blade of destiny here, and let's cut our way in. This box has been provided with the shrink wrap, which makes me very happy because, well, I love this part. In fact, let's come in for a close-up, a little bit of ASMR. Let's just do a little bit of ASMR. Here we go. You ready? You're ready. You ready? Here we go. Ooh, that's not bad. That wasn't bad. Let's do another one. Where is it? There it is. Okay, you ready? You're ready. I know you're ready. Yeah, that's fun. All right. Dive in, dive! All right, so let's dive into the box. Of course, you know, the box has those lovely little tabs. I like this. I don't know why. I know, I'm sure many of you are probably getting tired of me commenting about it, but I like it. I like the fact that that is something that happens. So we have a look at the instruction guide here. And looks pretty straightforward. It is just simple. Oh, I was gonna say, I thought it was just one sheet. Land Raiders go together. Geez, these almost look like the instructions for the old Land Raider way back in the day. very cool. Very interesting. Yes, then you put the two halves together, slap your lascannons into place. Oh, and okay, you can put the Melta or the Stormbolter, have the Marine on top. Oh, okay. So that's about as much options as you get. That's all right. Very cool. Transfer sheet. Looks like the regular transfer sheet we get with the Horus Heresy. Legion Imperialis stuff. Dark Angels, Emperor's Children, Iron Warriors, White Scars, Space Wolves, Imperial Fists, Night Lords, Blood Angels, Iron Hands, World Eaters, Ultramarines, Death Guard, Thousand Sons, Sons of Horus, Word Bearers, Salamanders, Raven Guard, Alpha Legion. And then numerals and squadrons and honor markings. Very cool. And then of course we get 2 frames. Are they identical? They are identical. Very cool. All right, so let's come in for a closer look and possibly, oh, I don't know. Yeah, okay, let's do a sniff. All right, having a look. Little tiny details, little space marines, little hatches, little Stormbolter. Like the hull, the classic design. Now the original Rogue Trader one, I think it doesn't actually go as long as these ones. These are actually like adjusted. Like the hull didn't extend this far. It was more boxier. Or maybe the point didn't come out as far. Either way, it was very like It almost looked like the kind of thing that would, like, if you rolled over or if it went upside down, it could just keep going kind of thing. Yeah. I mean, it's Land Raiders. It's sci-fi. Big old lascannons. Yeah. Very, very nice. Again, love all the details on these miniatures, man. They are just so darn cool. Let's flip it over and have a look at the other side. What do we get on the other side? What do we got? What do we got? Yeah. Yeah, so it looks like it's what, three Land Raiders per frame? Yeah, 6 in a box. Yeah, so it's got to be 3 Land Raiders per frame. Yeah. Very, very cool. Very, very nice. You know, there's a tiny part of me that kind of wishes that the regular tabletop 28mm scale stuff was this kind of easy to assemble, you know, just the back, 1/2, bang, 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 you know what I mean? And just slap it all together. But then we're into, you know, kind of where we were way back in the day with, you know, kits that were just big, chunky miniatures, parts, and everything like that. Oh, you know what we got to do? We got to do a sniff test. A whole squadron exploring your Proteus. Yeah, that's a sniff test. That is a sniff test. That's a Land Raider Proteus. And yeah. All right, let's get back to the rest of the video. That's our look at the Legion Imperialis, Legion Astartes, Land Raider Proteus Explorator Squadron for the Warhammer, the Horus Heresy, Legion Imperialis. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this box. Big thank you to my patrons for their continued support and all you brand new ones. And a huge thank you to all of you here on the YouTubes clicking that membership button. Big, big thank yous to you all. If you are not able to support monetarily, i.e. money, thumbing up the video, liking, following, subscribing, commenting, ringing the bell all help the channel as well. And all it takes is a couple of clicks of a button and you're helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to everybody who takes the time to do that. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next unboxing. Or useless review. Maybe a battle report. Maybe a live stream. Maybe even painting tutorials. Ooh. Just a tip. Fresh tip. Quick tips. Bringing back the quick tips. Yeah, check those out. Playlists are all down below. Links are all in the description down below. And yeah, huge thank you to everybody for tuning in for these ones. I'll see you later. Okay, bye.